Well, I'm just making, I'm just making another team. This is light pink, this is dark pink. I just need some colors. So, and
The other one is also a girl.
this is dark.
It's Emma.
Yes.
Okay. That's why she's wearing pink.
Like me. Dark pink.
Mm-hmm.
And I also have black pink. Oh, everything is where I tap it. And everything I wear is then I tap it. Then last time, see, South Chelsea. Like my name. My name is Chelsea. And her name is Emma. Yes, this for that. Now I'm gonna make her hair at the one in front, then in back. Oh, there's no yonder than mine. Mine is yon and yours. So yon. Oh, mommy, the pictures. Oh, mommy, yes, that I can. Who eyes is underneath the it one thing chicken and what is what I'm holding.
What is that? They're holding something?